Ever wondered what the difference is between lager and ale? What IBUs or ABV mean? Then this is the video for you. Today we're going over some basic definitions that you might encounter in the beer world. I've included timestamps in the description for each of them so that you can jump right to the one that you need. Alcohol by volume, or ABV. Alcohol by volume is the measurement of alcohol content in a beer expressed as a percentage. Typical ranges are from 4 to 8%, but they can go lower or higher depending on the style. Adjunct. An unmalted grain or fermentable ingredient that is not barley. Examples include wheat, oat, rye, rice, corn, candy syrup, etc. Alcohol. A byproduct of fermentation that gives beer its intoxicating quality, also called ethanol or ethyl alcohol. Ale. A beer made with top warm fermenting yeast. They encompass a wide range of styles, from pale ales to stouts and porters. Barley. A cereal grain that eventually becomes malt and serves as the basis for beer making. Barrel. A wooden vessel typically used to age beer, but can be used in conditioning and fermenting. Barrels are also used to measure a brewery's output, where 1 barrel is equivalent to 31 gallons. Beer. The oldest and most widely consumed alcoholic drink, made with malt, hops, water, and yeast. And the reason that you're here. Brewery. A business that brews and sells beer. They vary widely in size and styles brewed. Carbonation. Carbon dioxide or nitrogen present in beer. It can range in character from sharp to creamy, low to high, delicate to lively. Crowler or growler. A vessel used to take draft beer home. A crowler is a large aluminum can, typically 32 to 64 ounces. A growler is a glass vessel of similar size. Crowlers are single use, where growlers can be used repeatedly. Draught. Beer served from a keg, cask, or tank out of a tap from a brewery, bar, or kegerator. Glassware. A glass vessel into which beer is poured. They vary in shape, size, and utility. Head. The foam that sits on the surface of beer after it's been poured. It's important for aroma. Hops. The flower of the plant, Humulus lupulus. It's used for bittering, aroma, and flavor. Aromas and flavors range from floral, spice, and grass to citrus, stone, and tropical fruits. Additionally, hops have antibacterial properties. It's one of the 4 main ingredients of beer. International Bitterness Unit, IBU. A beer's measured bitterness on a scale from 0 to 100 plus. IBUs do not tell you how perceptibly bitter a beer will be across styles, but can be useful when confined within a style. Keg. A metal or sometimes plastic container used for storing beer to use as a standalone, in a draft system, or a kegerator. They come in a variety of sizes, with common ones being 5 liter, 5 gallon, 7.75 gallon, and 15.5 gallons. Kegerator. A refrigerator designed to store and refrigerate kegs and dispense beer. They can be purchased pre-configured or made by modifying a normal refrigerator or chest cooler. Lager. A beer made with bottom cold fermenting yeast. They encompass a wide range of styles from American light lager to Doppelbock. Malt. Barley that has been steeped, germinated, and dried in a process called malting. It provides sugar for yeast to ferment. It influences the body, feel, aroma, and flavor of beer. Aromas and flavors range from cereal, bread, and crackers to chocolate, coffee, and dark fruit. One of the 4 main ingredients of beer. Tap. A valve that dispenses beer from a keg. It includes party taps to faucets linked to draft systems. Water. The core component that makes up 90% of a beer. It influences body and feel and accentuates aspects of the other ingredients depending on its ionic composition. One of the 4 main ingredients of beer. Yeast. A range of microorganisms that convert sugar into alcohol. They can influence the body, feel, aroma, and flavor of beer. Some impart a lot of character, and some are nearly imperceptible. One of the 4 main ingredients of beer. These are just a handful to get you started. There'll be more editions in the future, covering industry, brewing, and more advanced terminology. Cheers, and thanks for watching.